Xbox F1Ultra engraving settings for these Walmart Valentine's mailboxes. Starting with a text box, I'm going to type in my son's name, Casper. I'm going to center in the page and change the font to lobster. I also want to weld these letters so that way they're not overlapping. Select the name and then select weld on the very top. Now this becomes one word with no crossed lines. Next, I'm gonna hit engrave and choose my blue light setting with power of 80% and speed of 1500 millimeters per second. I'm going to stick with one pass and 240 lines per centimeter. Also going to click on the advanced settings, select crosshatch with an engraving angle of 45 degrees. With my little mailbox on the base plate, I'm going to hit the measuring tool so I can measure the height of the object and refresh the background so I can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to hit the framing button and make sure that the engraving is going to end up where I want it to. Now since my framing looks alright, I'm going to click on stop framing and process. Without moving the mailbox, I'm going to go back into my computer and leave all the settings the same except for I'm going to change the laser to IR and my power setting to 25%. I quickly realized that 25% power was not giving me a clean engraving, therefore I changed my settings to 50% power and my engraving came out beautifully crisp and clean. To confirm my settings, I ran another mailbox with my youngest son's name on it, and it did work the first time around. I did the blue light first, changed the settings to 50% power, only on the IR, and it is amazing. Here you can tell the difference between the two upper mailboxes of Casper and Colton and Corbin's mailbox. Corbin's mailbox did not get as clean of an engrave as the top ones. And that is why I am not including the settings for Corbin's mailbox at all, because it did not turn out like I wanted it to. But I did want you to see the difference of good settings versus not so great. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are interested in the settings I used, I will provide a link to my blog post in the description below this video. I found these cute mailboxes at Walmart for only 98 cents each. These will make adorable gifts. I know that many people have personalized these and sold them on their websites and different channels, anywhere from $6 to $15 depending on the area they're located and what they might include with them. That is for today. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future content. See you next time. Bye for now.